Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain the Barclaycard Platinum purchase and balance transfer credit card. This card is designed to help you manage your finances by offering extended periods of 0% interest. We'll explore its key features, including how it can benefit both new purchases and existing debts. Understanding these aspects will help you decide if it's the right financial tool for your needs and how to maximize its advantages. With the Barclaycard Platinum, you can make new purchases and enjoy up to 24 months of 0% interest. This extended period is perfect for financing significant buys, like home improvements or new appliances, without immediate interest charges. Just remember to make at least your minimum payments on time to keep the promotional rate active and avoid future interest. For existing credit card debt, the Barclaycard Platinum offers a fantastic balance transfer option, providing up to 35 months at 0% interest. A typical balance transfer fee of 3.45% applies, so factor this into your planning. Ensure you complete any transfers within 60 days of opening your account to take full advantage of this valuable offer. This card is ideal if you need a long interest-free period for purchases or to consolidate existing credit card debt. Always review the terms and conditions to ensure it fits your financial goals and current situation. Remember, responsible card use can positively impact your credit score. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, among other deals, in the description.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.